Hello you guys, it is now Thursday and we are in my week of favorites, but we are actually in my creams and custards video. This is kind of one of those favorite steps. So we've already washed our hair, we've cleansed it, we've added the moisture because you add your moisture before you start styling. And that's why you do your leave-in in the shower and then you come here. If you ain't did that, you failed. I know a lot of you guys are familiar with my channel already, but if you are not familiar, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I have a lot of videos on educating you on how to maintain your natural hair. I know I got braids today. I know this, okay? But go back to some more videos. I got some curly hair. I got some hair. I got a few curly hairs. You see they peeking out over these. You see I'm looking a little dusty because my hair peeking out and stuff. So yeah, I got some curls so I can talk about this. I have a few creams here that you guys probably heard me talk about, probably haven't heard me talk about, but it's okay. So I'm going to talk about them today. The first one I'm going to talk about is the As I Am Restore Repair. I feel like I've had this brand in a lot of my favorites this week, and I wasn't planning it. I really wasn't planning it. But this Restore and Repair line I actually really do like because it has moisturizing properties. It has that Jamaica Black castor oil and it has moisture, but it's not too heavy, and that's just everything that you want when you have low porosity hair. So I really like this curling cream that comes with it. I've actually talked about this previously like a few months back. It's very moisturizing, but now the only thing about this cream is that I cannot use it if my hair is over moisturized or like it's moisture trained, because this will be too much. After your leave-in, you should already have your moisture, but if you are like of type 4C natural, then you know leave-ins can't necessarily be your last step. So this cream is a great step right after that leave-in because the moisture that this gives is ridiculous. It has a nice little slime to it. I like that slime because it gives me a little slip to it. This is so good. I love it. This is a new one. I actually have my old one over there. But that is a cream. The next cream that I have is you guys already knew that I was going to mention this, but it's the Taste Your ID Styling Cream. This is probably the only cream that I can use on my hair and get a perfect wash and go with no gel. This is literally the only thing, but it has a custardy type of consistency. Like it's a very jello. Can you hear that? Y'all hear that? That's very jello. And those type of products, I always classify them in my head as a custard. So this styling cream actually reminds me more of a custard than a styling cream. And I feel like even by the choices that I pick for my creams, it looks like I picked more custards than creams, which is technically my style. So if you are interested in trying out this styling cream, I highly recommend it. It's super affordable, but it's more of a custard than a cream. So if you are very custardy or you like those jello-y, jello-y consistencies, then this styling cream is going to be for you. If you like more of a Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Cream, this is not the same. It's not the same at all. So don't even go for that one. But the next product I want to talk about, which I haven't talked about this product a lot and I haven't used it a lot. I've literally been just not using it, but it's the Aussie Miracle Curls Cream Pudding. I'm not a big pudding fan, I'm not gonna lie, but this reminds me of a freaking custard. Even though it's like, when you look at it, it reminds you of like a hair grease because this just don't come out the thing. But the consistency is lightweight, it's really nice. I would top any of these, if you are trying to do a wash and go, I always top mine with a gel because I have very thick hair. My curls, I don't necessarily have curls, so like that gel has to lock that curl in. So I do have to top all of my stuff with gels. But they are still custards and creams and puddings that I like. So I absolutely love this one. And I might do another combo with this. I don't know if I've done a combo. I think I just done a video of me using this by itself. But I do want to do a combo because I liked it. I really liked it. I might be the only one in natural hair history that like that pudding. But I like damn pudding, okay? Maybe I just realized how to use it on my hair. I think that's just what happened because I wasn't expecting that to work. But other custards, of course, the Kinky Curly custard pairs it. I pair all of my custards, like I said, with a gel. I have a killer combo video with this Kinky Curly custard with a gel, so I will try to find that and put that right here so that you guys can check it out. But it's great. It's Kinky Curly. It's great. Trust me. It gives you shine. It just slips right through. just like my Mael. Y'all know, if you don't know this about me, that I like this Mael curling custard, you have a lot of research to do on my channel based on me. Like, if you don't know that I love this by now, you ain't even seen some of my best videos, girl. You ain't even seen me. You ain't seen me, okay? But I do love this. Like, if I have 5 seconds to think of what products on my shelf that I need to use or I'm gonna die if I don't do a bang and wash and go, I'm grabbing this. Oh, I'm grabbing this, sis. You ain't gotta worry about it. This going with me on my death wish, because that shit right there, it smells amazing and it does your hair amazing. Topped with a gel, you don't need much. You don't need much of this. Like, just a little bit. Just a little bit. And I just did, actually, this Alakay Creme Brulee. This is slowly but surely becoming a nice favorite. I love the color, the smell, and the consistency. Now, I do pair this with a gel, but this is a little bit more pricey than a lot of other stuff that I've mentioned, but it's black owned, and it smells amazing, and I think they're doing the damn thing. Alakay Naturals, I really like this product. If y'all could just send me like a few more, that'd be nice. You know, I ain't sponsored. I purchased all of my Alakay Naturals. I've never gotten a PR package from them or anything like that. But I do like this. Oh my god, my face is so oily. Give me a sec. Okay, so I pretty much think that is all of the creams and the custards that I've been loving so far. Now, like I mentioned earlier, these are creams and custards that I like to pair with gels. Now, if you are doing a twist out or braid outs, I think custards are where it's at. Like, the creams and the custards that I have here, I feel like they are good to be a lasting product. And that is all for all braid outs, twist outs, and all those type of things like that. But if you're trying to do a wash and go, clearly you have to make that next step. And that next step we are going to talk about in my next video, which is tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to be talking about gels, you guys. And I'm super excited to talk about the gels that I am loving right now. You guys know I am big on gels, so I was like hard. I'm not trying to have more than 5 gels. I'm like, we're going to talk about the top of the top of the top of the top of the top, sir. All right, so that's pretty much it. And I will see you guys in my tomorrow's video. So I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye. All right, I lied. That's not the end of the video. So I wanted to show you guys exactly what I had to choose from when doing these videos. Like, y'all, I've used quite a bit of products, okay? Quite a bit of products. And hi, Sky. Hello, poo poo. I've used quite a bit of products, but yeah, my favorites are, you know, chosen from a lot of stuff. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys what everything looks like. Okay, y'all, so I'm filming this part of the video for y'all, right? And I look down in this basket and I'm like, Borin, I didn't mention this. This right here, y'all, this is like literally the GOAT of creams. Like, I love this cream, and this cream is a 1-minute hair mask, but it's also a leave-in conditioner. Oh my gosh, I can't say enough good things about this. They have different scents, but I do like this one, and they come in a smaller size, but this is the bigger one. Y'all, this just melts right into my hair. If you guys have not tried this Garnier Fructis smoothing treatment, please get your hands on it. And it's very affordable. I think the smaller one is like $3, so it's super cheap. So yeah, I actually think it's curly girl friendly too. I don't know that for sure, but I think it's close. But for this to be a mask and also a leave-in conditioner, yo, this is really bomb. So yeah, love this. But now I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.